What do you think, the whole package of cheese?
Girl, go on and throw it in there. Go for it.
There we go. Why not?
Oh, that's a lot of water. That's a lot of water.
Ooh, that's a lot of cheese.
I feel a little nervous and anxious being the newbie. I have a lot to learn going up against Anne. We're gonna be fine, right?
So I hope you'll still be my good friend after this.
Orange juice. Have you ever had orange juice on ham? Hi, Carla. You're just in time for my joy, green bean, and blueberry ham dinner. And the reason it's called a joy ham dinner is because it just gave us such joy.
She's scared.
Raw green beans, blueberries, chunks of cheese. Joy's dish is not a joy.
And now it is ready to go into the oven.
What's going on in here? This is a pound of butter.
I think it said to go all in that one, but that could also go to another recipe.
Is it supposed to be slimy?
Is it slimy or just moist?
It's wet. I just put water on it.
You washed your pork chops?
I feel like that was a good thing.
Okay.
All meat, right?
Sure,
it's
sure.
all. No? No advice. Got it. Got it.
Oh, we have someone smashing something with a spatula.
Spatula, ain't that's what it's from?
JJ, what are you cutting with a spatula?
Chilies.
Chili.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I always cut my chilies with a spatula.
They don't know what's about to hit them.
Because when you cut it like this, you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. Make them all real pretty.
That is not safe at all.
Is it done? How do you know if it's done?
What's this?
That's my salmon surprise.
Surprised it's gonna be really overcooked. Yikes!
Yeah, let me start working on this mashed potato.
Make mashed potatoes, too? All right.
I guess it's the thing you use to make it with. I'm trying to beat it.
What's happening in there?
I had to mash these potatoes. It's not easy doing this.
Oh, the potatoes are hard.
Oh, we lost one.
I'm just gonna let you sit with that.
We're at the very bottom.
That's some mashed potatoes going in there like that. You see that right there? See that right there?
I have taught worse. Well, okay, maybe not. Maybe I have not taught worse, but actually ever. Be your fettuccine.
This is the Alfredo sauce. And here's the crawfish.
I've never ever had what he's making.
I don't think that's good either. I'm seeing their first dish, and I have to say that it's more nerves than excitement at this point.
It's good. I think some paprika.
Paprika?
Some cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper? You mean cayenne pepper?
It doesn't quite seem real. I can't believe that it's real.
It's cayenne pepper.
Stephanie, watch the magic. We're gonna take the noodle and shove it through the hot dog.
saw that like on the internet.
It's gonna be amazing. It's actually a lot easier than I anticipated. Look at this.
That's so cool.
You put all of it in at once, and you save a lot of time on cooking.
Oh, I love hot dogs.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, well, you like it with noodles sticking out of them?
Never had it.
Oh, you'll love it.
Oh, okay.
Love it.
I don't think so. I really don't think so.
What are you making with your hot dogs on the stick?
Alfredo. Does mayonnaise go in there?
Okay.
Make it a little thicker.
Little flavor.
Little flavor.
Wow. Fun fact for the people at home, mayonnaise does not go in Alfredo sauce. Oh, wow. How many people are you cooking for?
2?
It's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
And this is twice cooked eggs?
Yes.
Okay, well, you have a lot of interesting things happening.
Yes, I know.
On a scale of 1 to 10, and I can't go into the negatives, the recruits are a 1. I'm gonna leave you to it.
I know. Look at this color, man. Look.
And, girl,
I did not lie, did I?
I can't even process it.
This happens every season. Everyone's bouncing off the walls.
Ow. Ow.
Oh, man, that's not done.
It's hot.
Girl, I can't even. I'm scared about so many things.
Do I need to manicure these bad boys?
That ain't gonna work, love.
What did I sign up for?